Hi guys, welcome to my blog. It's Mellow Aiello, time again, number 15, here we go. Today I have a very special guest. This is my friend, we'll call him Chris. As you can tell from Chris, he's a fair-skinned fella who would like to dress himself up a little bit. Are you ready for this?
I'm ready.
So we'll start with some a little blush. Kind of close your eyes and kind of make that, yeah, there you go. Oh, perfect. Give you a little bit of a shadow here, build up those cheekbones. This gives you a little bit of more of a, well, not quite such a round face as we say. Oh. What do you think? Not bad? The teal blue here, okay. Oh, yes. Oh, is that too hard? Am I
No.
I'm gonna really, to make it pop.
That's what I'm looking for.
Oh, yes.
Windows into the soul.
Yes.
Windows into the soul.
That's what they say. Although when I look through this window, I see just a big emptiness. We can talk about that on one of my other episodes here. I can do a little psychoanalysis. A little lipstick.
That would be
good. Bright red or more of the sort of cream cherry-ish red?
Well, you know, you're looking at a palette here, and you'd make that choice.
Really hard to beat. I mean, give me more the pouty look. I think the dark red.
Okay.
Yeah, definitely is gonna go. Okay, give you a nice little pucker. All right. Oh, sorry, I missed a little.
What did you miss?
Sorry. It's just hard to take you serious with the full clown effect. You probably should do this yourself. Okay, so you're just gonna hold it in your fingertips.
Yes.
And then close your eyes and just kind of like
roll up.
Yes, because you want to really bring out those luscious eyelashes that you already have. Close your eyes, yeah, so you don't want to kill yourself. Oh, perfect. Oh, you just missed. That's okay. Well, that's beautiful. Can you do it with the other hand? Or
like a little Dippin' Dots. We'll try.
Because, see, this is one of the things that I've seen as a side benefit.
Oh, no. That's probably not good.
A side benefit of makeup is that you learn to use both hands equally well to become ambidextrous. I think you are ready for a night on the town.
I think so, too. And what do you think, dear audience?
I think we'll get lots of responses from the audience today.
I believe that. Make sure you like and subscribe below, please, and leave comments.
We'll make that a little bit deeper.
Sure, a little deep.
Oh, yes. Oh.